you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocate?
So I counted 11, but I only have 10.
Oh, what about that box there?
Oh.
Ay. So 11 in total? Okay.
Look, 6, 7. 6, 7.
So, this is all the chocolate coin inside his piñata. So, there is a corresponding number with the corresponding prices over there. Plus the extra candy and plus other stuff that we will put inside here. Ciao! And this is for his piñata. Kala nyo, piñata lang only for kids. Well, piñata for adult. Okay guys, so this is the mga kutsara at tinidor na in-order namin sa Amazon. Ship to Kuya AA. Siya nag-order syempre para hindi kami mabuko. Tapos pinaship namin dyan sa bahay ni Tita Edna. So ito yung gagamitin natin ng mga kutsara. Ayan. Syempre gold kasi golden boy.
Wow.
Si Fancy.
Control and your thoughts have taken their toll.
Ordered, I think this is 80? No, 40 pieces of this one and then 40 pieces of this one.
Walks on broken glass and the hangover doesn't pass.
So now, I have to bring this sa bahay ni Tita Leng para hindi makita.
You're in ruins.
Hindi yan technique A.
Then you use this one.
Yeah, it's not a technique.
But who knows? Maybe who knows?
Give up the fight. 21 guns. Throw up your
Tirada ka na dyan, Jin. Pagsunod, nagsunod. Dahil tumasunod, sabi ko si Pat, iparing niya ang cellphone ko.
Parang hindi. Maikli. Wow, sinisipat pa, kinukuha pa.
Dito. Bilangin mo kung ilan yung
Wow, bibilangan pa talaga. Wow. Bebe ko ba yan? Okay, let's check. Yung mga nahugasan na utensils, mga gold spoon. Gold pa rin siya. Hindi natanggal ang gold coating. Saan, Jo? Saan? Saan yung kanan? Buto yung hello.
Hold on, that's one.
Ayun, oh.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Naghuhugas. Nagpupunas, naghuhugas. Ipit na ipit!
When it's time to